Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry mojito. A super refreshing cocktail. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Bacardi, blueberry syrup, club soda, fresh limes, and some fresh mint. Alright, let's start by making the blueberry syrup. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's make this cocktail. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding 4 lime wedges into a mixing glass. Next, I'm gonna add about 8 mint leaves into the glass. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of blueberry syrup. Now I'm gonna muddle it. Now I'm gonna add ice into the glass. 2 ounces of Bacardi. And I'm just gonna tap it out with club soda. Now I'm just gonna mix it. And we're ready to garnish. I'm just gonna throw some fresh blueberries, a mint sprig, and a lime wheel. And that's how you make a blueberry mojito. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!